Good evening, sir. Myself, Kirit Karthik, and me, along with my 5 group members, have made a system called Employee Management System. We have divided the work of this system into 5 groups, and these are as follows. Firstly, let's explain the system. So, sir, my role in this project is to create the initial system and the overall system view and the GUI part. And rest the coding part is divided among the 5 of us. And I have done the framing part and labels and entry fields, in which we have imported Kinter as a module to create the GUI, and this is done by me only, creating new frames and creating labels and entry fields for employee details, that are these. And the next work is done by Cadet Lakshya Thakur.
Good evening, sir. My name is Karan Lakshi, and my role in the project was to add the buttons to add new employee, as well as my role was to add the tree view for displaying employee details, which will help to give the details of the employees as follows. So now Aryan will tell about the further project.
Good evening, sir. My name is Ken Aryan Martu, and in this project, I have made a scroll bar for the tree view and had also initialized the employee system. In the initialization, I have constituted my work in 4 different parts, and it is as follows: that is the name, ID, department, and the salary. And the next is Cadet Shivansh.
Sir, myself Karishmas, and my role in this project is to update the preview and also clear entry fields. I have used various functions like if, else, while, for, loop, and also I have added some new entries, IDs, and lists. Next is Cadet Anshul.
Myself, Cadet Anshul Thakur, I have done the salary part in this project and ensured that the salary must be in float and integer, and if it is not, then it will show the error in this project.
So this was our overall code. It was a quite bit lengthy, but we have tried to make it more simple as possible. So let me show you the output. Output is like this. We have to firstly enter the name. I have entered my name. Then the ID. I have entered the ID. We have to enter the department. I have also entered it. And salary, you can add anything in float or integers. Then after clicking on the button add employee, that is created by Cadet Aryan, we can check that here the employee is added to the list. And here we can add more employees in a very systematic way, and we can find the salaries, departments, and ID, etc. So we all learned this from our BNKY course, in which our mentor told us many important things. Sandeep sir told us many things about Python and its uses in our day-to-day lives, and he has helped us a lot in this course. And I assure you, sir, that we will do very good in our life with this coding. Thank you, sir.